COVID-19, the virus responsible for taking more than 4 million lives worldwide. Hospitals are continuously overloaded with victims of the coronavirus, and those who remain unvaccinated allow the virus to circulate, making it increasingly known as the pandemic of the unvaccinated. I'm Vaishi Kumar, and I created the app Vax Visit to solve this problem and make COVID-19 a pandemic of the past. Vax Visit is targeted to people of all ages in the US, mainly those who are busy or are having trouble finding vaccine appointments, and those who are on the fence about getting a vaccine. When the user first enters the app, they see this homepage. The user can navigate to the News tab to see graphs showing current COVID cases in countries around the world, and percentage of vaccinated populations. They can read an informational article from the CDC listing reasons to get vaccinated. This article will hopefully encourage those unsure about getting vaccinated to get a vaccine for the following benefits. The last section of the app shows the status of notifications. Notifications have not been set yet because the user has just logged into the app. The user can go back to the homepage to start the process of finding a vaccine. Upon clicking the Get Vaccinated button, they will be prompted to enter their age. If the user is under the age of 12, they are not eligible to get a vaccine, but can set notifications to get updated when their age group becomes eligible. In the Notifications tab, the status will be updated depending on if they choose to have notifications. The user can change the setting at any time. If the user is between the ages of 12 and 18, they are only eligible for the Pfizer vaccine. If they are 18 or over, they can choose between the Pfizer, Moderna, and Johnson & Johnson vaccines. Here, the user will input the day and time they would like to get the vaccine. As well as their zip code. Their location will be used for the purpose of finding the nearest available vaccine appointments. After the user fills in all of their information, they can click Continue. Vax Visit will output the place where they can get their preferred vaccine and link the website for the user to book their appointment. My app will also keep a history of the user's vaccinations by storing all of the data inputted by the user. I developed Vax Visit in code.org. I programmed in the JavaScript language along with some block-based coding. I used a design feature for the user interface, and I created a dataset with the various zip codes in the United States. The values for corresponding stores with available vaccine appointments are for demonstration purposes and will be updated in the future. I used the COVID-19 cases per country dataset, which contains up-to-date information and is displayed in the news graph in my app.